Some victims of the disastrous flooding in Durban in April are still living in tents.
That's despite a 90 million rand relief fund from national government. SABC News visiting a communal tent in Reservoir Hills found people who are ill and blaming conditions under which they live.
Floods left a trail of destruction, claiming 70 lives. Southern parts of Durban were hardest hit. Thousands were temporarily accommodated in shelters. Donations poured in and authorities promised to rebuild their homes. 4 months later, 17 families are still staying in this tent. They say assistance dried up within the first month.
They brought us this old tent. It has holes in it and we had to close those holes with our blankets. It's dirty and collapsing. I'm staying with sickly children and I'm also sick.
We are experiencing problems. We do not know what to do. Our children are now sickly and they don't get help. Health officials only come and go without assessing us.
Government says it's in the process of appointing a credible contractor to rebuild the houses.
We have already received a budget of 90.3 million for eThekwini for only those who have been affected through flood. Now we're now within the process of SCM to ensure that we appoint a proper, credible sales provider who's going to build houses for those affected people. However, we don't want to do shortcuts.
While that process is underway, these victims have to endure harsh living conditions. Vusi Kumalo, SABC News, Durban.